Hey everybody, Jason Lake with the team here at MarineMax Clearwater, and today Kimberly and I are going to bring you a quick tour of our 405 Conquest from the team at Boston Whaler. One of the motherships, one of the flagship boats for the team at Boston Whaler, and one of our favorites to sell nationally at MarineMax. And so this boat is equipped probably exactly how I'd order it, but Boston Whaler is very customizable, guys. So when you get on their website and want to build one of their boats, you'll be able to option these things how you see fit and how your family would use the boat. But currently we have a really popular engine package for this model, quad V10 425 Mercury Verados. Engines are incredible. It's the latest and greatest technology for outboard engines in the marine industry, and you'll be thoroughly impressed by how quiet those engines are. They're literally as loud as they are when they're turned off, if that makes sense. We've optioned this 405 with the summer kitchen on the back of the boat, so you'll have a freshwater basin here, your Kenyon electric grill, and then a ton of tackle storage and things for your utensils. Of course, here we have a dedicated slot for the 5-gallon bucket, and then you'll have a monster live well on the back with buttons and everything to control those right here in the cockpit. On the starboard side, we've optioned in a pull-out bench seat here, and then we also have our table base on the deck here. This is a massive area for your friends to stage, whether you're fishing the boat or whether you guys are just hanging out on a sandbar. You'll be able to set up 2 beautiful teak tables, pull-out seat here, and then of course we have our aft-facing dual bench seats here for another 4 or so guests to face and enjoy the conversation. Here, just start some of the refrigeration that we have on the boat, guys. You really, literally do not have to put ice in this thing, and it will freeze your bottles of water to solid ice. It's incredible how cold that gets. And then when you come over here as you're cooking on the back of the boat, Boston Whaler's done a great job here at setting up different options for you. So you see here, they've continued the Corian through so that you can set up and stage kind of lunch for the day. And then we've also set up a little flip up counter there where you can extend your countertop space. So they've done a great job on the starboard side galley. And as I mentioned just a second ago, the refrigeration on the back, and then we'll have dual refrigerators up here midship. And you'll also have a single burner stove and another freshwater basin. The seats here are fantastic. They get you really up high, but they've done a great job with the consoles on both sides to keep them fairly low so that visibility is incredible on this boat. 360 degrees, you never lose line of sight, and it's really easy to pick up other boats, the docks, or anything else that you're needing to see. This seat here will push back, and we'll give opposing seating here midship as well. You'll have air conditioning on you from these seats. Plenty of cup holders, and you can just see the attention to detail that Boston Whaler's put on this 405 from this gorgeous table. This is actuated. We can turn this into a bigger lounger, and this is actuated. We can also flip this around so that you can create an even longer lounger. Really cool thing Whaler did on this boat is they offered up all of your friends and guests on board a 24-inch Simrad display. This thing is awesome. They can use it to navigate and everything, but they can also watch Netflix, things of that nature on there as well. And then another cool thing that I've only seen Whaler do is they have offered up a second joystick system. So you can sit, look out this window on the port side, and dock the boat from this side. So really cool setup if you have a port side tie-up. The Helm over here is frankly like a piece of art. Beautiful black acrylic, large 19-inch Simrad displays, and then your joystick docking and everything down to the right. All of your micro switching will be blue LED backlit, so it's very easy to notice what's activated and what isn't activated. So why don't we head on down and check out the cabin. So now that we're in the cabin of the beautiful 405 Conquest, you're looking at the master stateroom, if you will. This is our V berth. Beautiful area. I'm 6'1". I have zero issue walking throughout that cabin, and the bed, the mattresses are really comfortable, guys. So your extended stays, you will enjoy those when you're using that V berth. As we get midship here, you'll see a fantastic salon down here with a beautiful TV fusion system on this boat. Again, some more of that gorgeous woodwork that they have throughout the boat. You can see it in the cabinetry, this beautiful teak table, and then the floors as well. And as Kimberly comes around, you'll just see some of the details on the door to the head. Very usable head as well. The accommodations on this boat are fantastic, especially for a 40-footer. The Boston Whaler does a great job at utilizing all the space on board. They've actually dumbed down the size of the galley, realizing you don't need to take up the entire port side of the boat with a galley, so you have a single burner stove, your second on the boat, your 4th refrigerator, and then your 3rd freshwater sink. Actually 4 if you count the one in the head as well. And then when we get into our back aft stateroom, plenty of place. Nobody would feel like they got the raw end, if you will, by having to sleep on that when they're invited onto your boat. It's a beautiful stateroom, plenty of storage for all of their personal items, and then the bed will hold a couple, no problem. So again, the 405 Conquest, guys, checks a lot of boxes. As we come back out of the cabin, I won't ask Kimberly to walk the plank towards the bow, but the bow seating on this boat is incredible. Flip up backrest. A lot of sunsets could be taken in up there on that bow. Windlass anchor up front. You have wireless charging for your cell phones on both sides. Actuated vents to allow fresh air to get in. These windows that open up on both sides of the boat allow a ton of air to come into this boat, but also give you great line of sight to your dock and to your cleats. So again, guys, the team at Whaler always thinks every portion of their boat through. I think you'll be extremely impressed if you allow us to show you this boat over here at MarineMax Clearwater. So I hope you enjoyed that tour. If you have any questions, you can text or call my cell phone at 509-869-8306. We look forward to seeing you guys out on the water.